Hey, 8th graders, how you been? I'm ready for you guys to come back, just so you know. Doing these videos is a lot of work, but we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do all the rest of the week, so 31, 32, 33, and 34 in this one video. So you might have to like fast forward or rewind to get where you need to go. I'm going to start with Shane, Monday 31, number 5. Shane is 1/4 of his dad's height. If his dad is 6 feet 6 inches tall, how tall is Shane? 1/4. If you think of 1/4 of a dollar, money wise, we would have 25 cents. Whoops. 25 cents. And his dad is 6 feet 6 inches, which means he is 6.5 feet. So 6.5. We're going to multiply it because we're 1/4 of a height, and of means to multiply. And that will give you your answer, and you'll have a decimal. Let me just double check. I got, light's really weird on this, 1.625 feet. Shane must be a baby. That's my hope. But if you have this as your answer, you're going to get it. 1.625 feet. All right, next one is week 31, Tuesday. Number 5. If you have spinner A, your friend has spinner B, who has the best chance of getting a higher total after 5 spins? Well, you have to think of how many numbers are greater than 5, and then what your probability would be. So a greater than 5 spin, this person, spinner A, only has 25% chance. 1/4 of it is greater than 5. Where spinner B, 3 out of the 6, so if I wrote it as a fraction, shows us 3/6, which is half. So we would have 0.5. Which one has a greater total? Spinner B has a greater chance. Wednesday on week 31, we're going to do number 5. Brady went to a fantastic parade and saw 12 bands. If each band had an average of 120 members, how many band members did he see during the parade? So if we have 120 for band 1, 120 band 2, 120 band 3, 120 band 4, until you get 12 of them, that's going to be how many band members he saw. Multiplying would be quicker. So if we had 120 times 12, find it and get your answer. Thursday, number 5. This is a multi-part. I can explain it to you over video, but it would work better if we were in person. So I'm going to have you guys go ahead and cross that off. Let's go ahead and flip over to week 32. If we have Monday, the sum, that means to add, of Linda and Ginger's age is 15. Write an equation stating this. Okay? Lita plus Ginger equals 15. The product means to multiply, of their age is 56. L times G equals 56. If Lita is older than Ginger, how old is each girl? We have to think of what two numbers can we use to multiply to get to 56. I know that 8 times 7. I shouldn't say I know. I need to double check that. Let's try it. 8 times 7. Yep, 8 times 7 is 56. 8 plus 7 is also 15. That means L is 8 and G is 7. Tuesday. What time is it when somebody says 2300? That's military time. So after 12 o'clock noon, so lunchtime is 12. That means 1 o'clock, they call 13. 2 o'clock would be 1400. 3 o'clock would be 1500. 4 o'clock would be 1600. 7 o'clock would be, sorry, missed some numbers. 5 o'clock would be 17. 6, 18, 7, 19, 8, 20, 9, 21, 10, 22, 11 would be 2300 hours. So 11 p.m. Go ahead and go Wednesday. We're going to do number 1 and 2. I'm just going to give you a hint on what sign it is. Number 1, you're going to put a plus sign. Number 2, you're going to put a multiplying sign. Okay, we're going to go down to Thursday. Another one of these long ones. I wish we were in person so we could do them because I actually enjoy them. But we're going to go ahead and cross it off. Week 33. Number 5. There are 4 houses on a block that is in the shape of a square. So I'm going to draw 4 houses. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're in the shape of a square. If you want to make a path to connect all 4 houses with each of the others, how many paths would you need to make? So if I start here, this house, I want a path to go to this house, and this house. I can get all 3. I can go from here to here, back and forth. This house, though, needs to make a path here and here. And then this last corner needs 1. How many paths did we draw? So you're going to have whatever your number is, paths. Number 5, I want you to trace it, cut it out, tape it into a box shape, then take a picture. It will be 5 extra credit points. All right, week 33, Wednesday. Number 5. Pedro is playing a video game. He's getting pretty good at driving Max. He can move up a level in an average of 8 minutes. If he plays for 3 hours straight, starting on level 9, what level will he finish on? First, we need to convert this to minutes. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Add another 60, we get 120. Add another 60, we get 180 minutes. So 180 minutes. And every 8 minutes he gets up a level. So divide that by 8. Whatever this number is, add it to 9. That will give you your final answer. And the last one, number 5, another long one. If you're into football, you should know this. A touchdown must be made in order to attempt either of the last 2 plays. So in order to get one of those, you have to get a touchdown first. Given the information, how many ways can a team score 10 points? So when I did it myself, I could only come up with 3 ways. If you can find more, show me, get extra credit again. Find more for extra credit. Guess I should tell you my 3 ways. I have a touchdown, an extra kick, and a field goal. So I'm going to label this touchdown, field goal, safety, conversion, extra kick. So mine was touchdown, extra kick, and a field goal. Touchdown, 2-point conversion, and a safety. And a field goal, safety, safety. If you can find more, show me. Week 34, the last week of our homework. Monday, your pattern. What are the next 3? Well, each time we are multiplying by 5. So you figure them out. Tuesday, number 5. The Chungs are going on vacation to California. They have 3 amusement parks to choose from. SeaWorld, Disneyland, Knott's Berry's Farm. They have 3 beaches to choose from. Huntington, Balboa, and Venice. In addition, they have 2 restaurants to choose from. The Cheesecake Factory or the Tail of the Whale. How many different accommodations do the Chungs have to choose from when selecting amusement park, beach, or restaurant? Remember, we haven't done these in a while, but we can do a math equation with it, which would be 3 times 3 times 2. And what does that equal? Wednesday. I'll give you the hint for number 1 and number 2. Number 1, you're doing minus. And number 2, you are dividing. Thursday, number 5. Average of 5 numbers is 90. Remember, is means to multiply? Is means equals. Average means to add, then divide. So we're going to add our numbers. We have 85 plus 92 plus 89 plus 95. 1, 2, 3, 4. It says there's 5 numbers plus an unknown. Divided by 5 equals 90. We add them all up. We get 85 plus 92 plus 89 plus 95 equals 361 plus x divided by 5 equals 90. Opposite of dividing would be to multiply. And go ahead, I'm going to have to add to it. So times 5 times 5. If I have 90 times 5, we get 450. Opposite of plus 361 would be minus. So minus 361. And our answer would be 89. You need to fill that in with whatever the answer is.